Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The euro gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Mercedes-Benz said it had cut prices on some of its EQE and EQS models in China due to changing market demand for top-end electric vehicles, triggering a 6.7% fall in the premium car maker's share price. Britain's unemployment rate unexpectedly rose and vacancies fell for a fifth report in a row as employers worried about the outlook for the economy, official data showed, ahead of a tough government budget plan later this week. Crypto lender BlockFi is preparing a potential bankruptcy filing because of its significant exposure to bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, the Wall Street Journal reported.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 0530 GMT, Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT, the Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 1000 hours GMT. Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US housing starts at 1330 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.